CEMO has always developed clever ideas when it comes to the safe, clean and hazard-free transport of all kinds of liquids. The new Transfer-Trolleys prove this once again. In keeping with the motto "totally mobile", they can be used to cover longer distances effortlessly, for example, in extensive buildings or factories and without the need of cumbersome cables. The 130-liter container is approximately 13 times to the capacity of a conventional watering can. Whether you use it to transport water, chemicals, oil or AdBlue, the trolleys have been optimized for the application. All models have integrated handles, a low center of gravity for easy transport and an integrated pump sump for emptying almost 100% of the liquid. The containers have been made of high-quality polyethylene and are extremely mobile thanks to the swivel casters. With the CEMO transfer trolleys, you save time and back pain is a thing of the past.